Good morning. My name is Hae-sun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, with the Labor Attorney Jung Bong-soo, we will cover the Labor Standard Act article from 65 to 69, which is regarding the prohibition of employment for young people under 18. So could you explain the concept, please?
Yeah. Hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. So the lowest age for working is 15 years or old. So those people who are under 18 to 15, we call them minor. So those people are high school students in Korea. So they are protected by the Labor Standard Act about the workplace or employment contract, wage and working hours. So this Labor Standard Act provide those the essential part. So those minors, they are not allowed to work and like morally not desired area. Also some dangerous or difficult area, also very where they can have a health problem due to the working environment. So those areas, they are prohibited from working. Yeah. Also, when they have a employment contract, they must obtain the parents' agreement in advance. So when employee make employment contract, the employment contract must have a parents' agreement together. Also, they must receive some document to verify their age. So those documents required. So when the contract is made and employee, the minor provide labor service, then working condition is more serious, more some not desired than what stipulated in the contract. Then their parent can cancel the contract. So because of their minor's position status, so it is possible for parent to cancel the contract. So normal employment contract, nobody can intervene this employment contract, but exceptionally this the minor's employment contract, it is possible for a parent to cancel the contract. Also, wage should be paid to directly to the minor directly. So parents cannot receive wage on behalf of their young children, because someone who provide the labor service must receive their wage. Also, their working hour should be protected. So maximum working hour is 7 hours per day, 35 hours per week. So even though there is a mutual agreement, only 1 hour allowed for each day. Also maximum overtime can be allowed up to 5 hours per week. That means maximum working per day is 8 hours. Also per week is 40 hours. So these are all protection items to protect minors. Yeah.
I understand. So minors are considered as the young people who are aged below 18. So if the employer do not meet this condition, what would be the penalty? Is it very strict?
Yeah, of course. This is a kind of forced labor. So Labor Standard Act provides a minimum and compulsory working condition. So employer violate those those items prohibited by this Labor Standard Act, they will be punished very severely, like 2 years prison or 20 million for penalty fine. So I think this is a kind of employer what should follow, should observe. So if this is violated, then they'll be punished very severely.
So what would be the like workplace that these young people are not allowed to get a job. For example, like gambling or very dangerous job condition or whatever. Could you give us some example of
Yeah.
workplace?
So according to the Article 66, so some the morally or the healthily harmful place, so those minors are not allowed to work. So such the businesses are kind of the alcohol selling shop or some kind of some very dangerous factory or some what you said like a gambling shop. Those are morally not sound areas, so they are not allowed to work. Yeah.
I see, I see. So heavy penalty. So what? How about in other countries? Is it similar? 18. I think because the young children are now very much grown up.
Yeah.
I think 18. 18 is quite grown up people. I don't know whether.
Yeah, our lowest age is 15. So
15.
many countries have their own age limit, like 15. But some countries they have 13, or some countries they have 18. So in Korea we just followed some compulsory education period. So up to age 14, it is mandatory for young children to attend some mandatory education, but the like 15 or above, this is like another 30 years are also required to attend, but not the mandatory training period. So it is allowed for the employee to hire such a young like minors, but like in Korea, 15 is many like lowest age, but foreign countries, I think they have similar ages.
I see. Thank you very much for your comment.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.